The repair of the parking garage in Banner Medical Center in Mesa, Arizona was completed in December 2006. The brand new parking garage was to open in January 2007. 15 corbels were by mistake constructed as non-monolithic, while the design called for a monolithic construction. Additional horizontal steel for confinement was needed. Quake-wrap glass fabric was used to repair these corbels. 15 corbels were wrapped each with 2 layers of fabric. Quake-wrap FRP fabric made up for the missing confining steel. Some of the pictures of the construction project can be seen here. Repairs were performed by FRP Construction, LLC. Please watch videos of other similar projects on our YouTube channel.